Hello everybody, it's Paul Speaks. It's a cool evening in here and I just decided to drop this right in my room. This question has been lingering in my heart or in my mind for some times now. Most people don't have an answer to the question, and that is why they have problems with whatever they are doing, whatever they are facing presently. The question is, who are you? I suddenly asked myself that same question a few years ago, and only when I got the answer, only then in my life began to take a right change, a positive change. I asked myself, who am I? And I gave myself a positive answer after a series of research and thinking and a search within. I give myself a positive answer. Most people don't know who to become. They don't know who they are. They don't know what they want to become. Why? Because they don't know who they are. There's a saying I coined out a few years or months ago. It says, you don't know who to become because you don't know who you are. If you know who you are, you know what to become. But in these few years back, when I made research and I sat within myself to know the true person or the real me, and I discovered who I am, then my life took a positive turn. And in these few years, living the real me has been very great. Living who I really want to become has been very enjoyable to me. I got the right answer, who I am, and now I know who I want to become. Most people out there, if you ask them the question, they really don't know why. They don't know what to become because they don't know who they are. And the truth of the matter is, who we are is what we really are inside of us. The real you is inside you. Not only or not when you discover who you really are, things will be difficult. Very difficult. Because you can't live another man's life. No matter how you live it, you can never be the same or do exactly as he does. You just have to live your real self. Then how do I know who I am? How do I answer the question, who are you? The only way I can answer that is to search myself. What are my abilities? Who has God bring me to this earth to become? Who has God ordained me to be? He has a plan for every one of us, and that is who we are. We are unique in our own selves. You don't have to be like anybody. If things are not going on well, then check yourself. Then you are not the real self. Most people cannot accept things, they cannot take things. Why? Because they are not living their real self, they are not who they are. If you are who you are, then you know how to manage things when they come. The real you can effect things. The real you can face challenges. The real you will do what you want. The real you will get what he wants. The real you will do what he wants to do, because that's the only thing he has to do. The only thing you have to do is to really do what you want to do. You can achieve it. You can make it. You know who you want to become. You know it deep down in, but you don't want to go about it because you are not who you are. You are living another man's life. And to know who you are, you have to search inside you. You have abilities, you have potentials hidden. And how do you discover these abilities? Don't run away from responsibilities. That is one. Always be ready to function. If they ask you to come and do this, be ready to do, because that brings out the real you. And never be afraid to do anything. Always be ready to take risk, because when you do, the real you comes out. And search within you. Take time. Take few minutes to sit down. What do I do that I really love doing with ease? That is positive, that affects life. That's the purpose. If you sit down and think, there's something I like doing, I love doing, I have an idea of, I know about. If I don't know it too well, but I love it, and I can go and furthermore to learn more about it. But even though I learn more, I still do it with ease. And I tell you, it affects life positively. That is the purpose. That is the real you. And with that, you can do anything. You can become anything. If you know what you want to achieve in life and it's difficult for you to achieve, let me tell you, everything is not a bed of roses. Challenges will come. But if you are the real you'll be able to face the challenges and overcome them. You'll be able to fight against them, overcome them, and be the best you can be, and be the real thing. Live the real dream. But if you are not living the real life, when challenges come, you will back out. Because only the person that has that life can overcome that stage, not you. You don't have what it takes to overcome another man's difficulty or challenges. You have only what it takes to overcome your own challenge. Be yourself and be the best you can be. It's Paul Speaks. Don't forget to subscribe and get more. Thank you.